Hey, it's Tom from Farland Classic Restoration in Denver, Colorado. We are having a look today at this 1971 Mercedes-Benz 280SL that we recently restored. It's in the shop and it's about to go home. So we started off by assessing the car, having a look at it, and starting to disassemble a little bit. Then we take it into media blasting and get the paint off and start our paint process. This tobacco brown Mercedes 280SL was a great candidate for restoration, meaning that it had what we call good bones, so not a lot of rust, was in quite good original condition, but ready for new paint, new interior, new mechanicals, updated everything. So it's a beautiful non-metallic, deep brown, and it looks just fantastic. From there, we polish, and sand to get our paint jobs that we're really well known for. And this one came out beautifully, especially when you match it up with the cognac leather interior. Leather interior is a kit, for the most part, that came from a company called GA. They make simply the best Mercedes interior equipment, so we use that. Our in-house interior guy is simply fantastic, got everything going. We had to redo the gauges, we redid the wood, dash, seats, carpet, everything. So this is basically a brand new car, as you can see from some of our underneath shots as well. Mechanically, did a rebuilt transmission. Suspension is all either restored or brand new. And the engine itself was completely overhauled by a company that does nothing but restore Mercedes engines. This car starts right up every single time, and we've taken it out for a few miles. We need to do a bit more of what we call shakedown, which is driving it, making sure everything works. But we're getting very close to sending this beautiful car back home. It's one of our favorite projects we've done recently. And we hope you'll tune in to some other projects in our shop. Check us out at farlandcars.com or on social media at Farland Classic Restoration.